So for number one, these two histograms show the number of text messages sent in 1 week by two groups of 100 students. The first histogram summarizes the data from 6th grade students, right here. The second histogram summarizes the data from the 7th grade students, which is right here. For 1a, do the two data sets have approximately the same center? If so, explain where the center is located. If not, which one has a greater center? So I would argue that they have fairly similar centers here. So if you notice here for our 6th grade students, if we look at this one here, the tallest bar here is going to be at 85 to 95. But again, there's a bunch of data farther to the right here. So if we were to kind of take into consideration how much data is on the right side here, we'd probably tend to go a little bit to the right of that. So I would say the center is anywhere around 95 to 100 or so. As well as the 7th grade students, the spread is a little bit, closer together here. So it's a little bit easier to see, okay, the middle here should be maybe like right around here or so of the entire data. But again, there's a little bit more data on the left side. So it would tend to shift the center over a little bit. So our center should be, again, right around 95 to 100 or so. So the two centers are pretty fairly similar. And I would say about 95 or 100 text messages. That's what I would say the center is for these two histograms.